Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a chart as an image in Google Sheets. Whether you're prepping a report, putting together a presentation, or you just want to share your data in a more visual way, this is an essential trick to make your graphs look crisp and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn any chart in Google Sheets into a ready-to-use image file, perfect for slideshows, documents, or sending to your coworkers. Let's dive right into it. So assuming you already have your graph made in Google Sheets, you may have a bar graph, a pie chart, whatever it is, just locate it within your spreadsheet. If you haven't already created a chart, you'll want to do that first, but I'll focus here on the downloading part. Once you've got your chart on the sheet, here's what you do. First, take a look at the top right corner of your chart. You'll notice some subtle icons up there, and one of them is a set of 3 vertical dots that's commonly referred to as the More Options menu. This little icon is your gateway to tons of different actions for that chart. If you're having trouble spotting it, just move your mouse over the chart and those dots should appear. It's similar to the More or Settings button you see in lots of apps, just a tidy little way to keep the controls uncluttered. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will pop up with several options relevant to your chart. For what we're doing, look for the one that says Download. Hover your mouse over Download Chart. Sometimes, depending on your screen, you might see it just as Download. This step is all about converting your chart from something that just lives inside Google Sheets into a file you can use anywhere else. Now, Google Sheets will give you a choice of file formats, but for most people, the best option here is PNG image. PNG files are great because they maintain high quality without getting blurry, and you can use them just about everywhere from PowerPoint to email attachments. So go ahead and click PNG image. As soon as you make that selection, Google Sheets will immediately prepare your chart as a downloadable image. In most cases, it'll save automatically to your Downloads folder on your computer, whether you're on a PC or a Mac. You might see it pop up in your browser's Downloads bar, or you can find it by opening up your Downloads folder directly. It's usually named something like Chart, but you're free to rename it for better organization, especially if you're working with several different graphs. That's literally it, simple, right? But saving your chart as an image gives you so much more flexibility. You can drag and drop it into Word docs, add it to slides, or even send it directly in an email. If anything here doesn't quite look right, for example, if you can't see the download option, just double-check you're clicking directly on the chart and not somewhere else on the sheet. And remember, sometimes it takes a second for the download to finish, especially on slower connections, so don't worry if you need to wait a moment or two. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on saving a chart as a PNG image in Google Sheets. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or run into something unexpected, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.